Your T-Mobile voicemail password is a 4-6-digit PIN that secures your voicemail inbox. Forgetting it requires a reset, now primarily done through the T-Mobile Visual Voicemail app or My T-Mobile account portal. This shift from phone-based resets emphasizes user-friendly, secure account management. Recent app updates include optional biometric authentication to avoid passwords altogether. If you can't access the app or website, calling T-Mobile support is a backup, but the app is preferred. For iPhone users, start by opening the Phone app and navigating to the Voicemail tab. Tap Change Password or Forgot Password to begin the reset process. Follow the SMS or email verification prompts to create a new password. Alternatively, download and open the T-Mobile Visual Voicemail app. Sign in with your account credentials, then navigate to Settings and select Voicemail Password to reset. For Android users, open the Phone app and access voicemail settings. Select Change PIN or Reset Password and follow the verification process through your T-Mobile account. If the app methods don't work, contact T-Mobile support by calling 611 from your T-Mobile line or 1-800-937-8997.